Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to join a workspace in Slack. First of all, open slack.com. On this section, you have to log in with your account if you're not currently logged in. If you don't have an account, you can create an account with Slack. Once you're signed in with your account, you can create a new workspace for yourself. So before this tutorial, I have already created a workspace so I can show you how to join a workspace in Slack. So I will launch this workspace and this page will open. This is my workspace. From this page, I can select Add Colleagues. Once I select this option, I have to type in the email of my colleague or the person I want to invite to my Slack workspace. Once I've typed the email, I have to click on Send. An invitation email has been sent to this user, and let me show you how this email looks like. So my colleague or the person I have sent the mail has received this email. He has to select Join Slack. Once he clicked on it, if he do not have an account, he have to create an account. Once he has created an account, he will be joined to my Slack workspace. And that's how to join a workspace in Slack. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.